Hello guys, today we are discussing the topic definition and parts of the prescription. So let's start with the definition. Definition of the prescription. The prescription is the written medication order by the doctor, dentist, veterinarian, surgeon or any other registered medical prescriber to the pharmacist for the supply of the medicine to a particular patient. This is the definition part of the prescription. The prescription is nothing but the written medication order by the doctor, dentist, veterinarian, surgeon or any other registered medical prescriber to the pharmacist for the supply of the medicine to a particular patient. This is the definition. So next part is the parts of the prescription. There are different parts of the prescription. Let's see this is template of the prescription. There are seven to eight parts of the prescription. So we will see the one by one. First part is the prescriber office information. Next is date of the prescription. Next, name, age, sex and weight of the patient. Then superscription. Then inscription, subscription, signature and last is registration number and seal. So we will discuss one by one each part of the prescription in next coming slides. First is the prescriber office information. The doctor or office name, address with phone number and mail ID as well as prescription number are essential in the prescription. Why it is essential? Because the patient can contact doctor when in emergency. So this it is most important part of the prescription information. Next is the date of the prescription. The date of the prescription should be at the top of the prescription. This is necessary for the prevention of misuse of the prescription, especially the ones which contain the narcotic and control drugs. Third is the name, age, sex and weight of this patient. The name, age, sex and weight of the patient should be written to avoid the medication error and to take the follow-ups. This one part is very important because of the identification purpose. Fourth part of the prescription is superscription. The superscription is the part of the prescription contain a symbol RX, means take the. It is a Latin word. English meaning is you take. Basically, the writer of the prescription praying to the God to get the patient well soon. Fifth part is the inscription. The inscription is a part of the prescription contains the composition of the medicine and amount of dosage. For example, paracetamol 500 mg. The name and quantity of the medicine to be supplied. The medicine may be prescribed as first an official preparation together with the quantity required. Second, proprietary product together with the quantity required. And third, a special formula in which case the quantity of each ingredient will be stated together with the description of the type of preparation. For example, tablet, lotion, powder. This is the inscription. Next part is the subscription. The subscription is the part of the prescription contains the direction to dispense the dosage form. In this part, the prescriber gives direction to the pharmacist regarding the dosage form to be prepared and number of dosage to be dispensed. For example, tablet paracetamol 20. That means 20 pieces of paracetamol tablet. Next part is signature. Signature is the part of the prescription contains the direction given by the writer to the patient how and when should the medicine are taken. The directions are given in Latin shortcuts. For example, TDS means 3 times a day. BID means twice a day. AC means before a meal. part of the prescription is signature. The signature is a part of the prescription, contains the signature of the medical practitioner who writes the prescription. Last part is the registration number and seal. In this part, the registration number of the medical practitioner who writes the prescription is given and the stamp of the particular doctor. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video, parts of the prescription and definition of the prescription. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our YouTube channel Pharma Science. Thank you so much.